guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel is Mobile. So I hope that you all are doing good, and if not, so may God bless you with good health. So in today's video we will unlock iPhone 12. So here I'm just showing you my phone that I'm going to unlock. So we don't know the passcode, so I'll just tell you the secret emergency code that you have to dial, and after that you will be able to unlock your iPhone 12. So simply you have to go into emergency call option, then you have to dial star 472527 star 666 hash. So here you have to dial 6 3 times. Okay, so you have to just follow the steps, and here you will not be able to just connect the call, but you have to just tap on the call button and then you have to cancel it, and you have to do it for the times that I'm doing. After that you have to go back, and again you have to dial this code that I'm dialing. So you have to try, maybe your iPhone will unlock just by the first step, but if it is not working, then this is the second step that you have to follow. So you have to again go into this emergency dial option, and then you have to dial this code, and then keep in mind that now you have to dial 4 times, not 3 times. And then you have to try this code 6, dial 6 only, like for 6 times, but again it is not working. So we will now follow the step 3. So this is the step 3. If that those steps are not working, previous one, so you have to do this. And now there is change in code, so you have to follow this code. You can count, and you have to dial the for the times that I'm dialing, and then you have to just go back, and now you have to again dial this code that I'm dialing, 00666666 4 times and 02 times. But this code will only work for the this last step. But if you are applying the code for the first and second step, so you have to apply that code that I was applying at that time. So this is the simple way to unlock. Thank you.